There's some squishies to unboxing with me. Got dumplings. Those or other squishies from Target. So I got this dumpling. It's some of it normal. So I got this galaxy dumpling. And I've never got one of these dumplings before in this series. Got one more galaxy dumpling, so let's see what it is. The glitter one's probably actually amazing. But I don't want to know. So I got this like super cute cube. First, it came with this little chicken. Came with the keyboard. It's a keychain. So I got this fried chicken. I've been wanting this for a while. Next, I got this goose. I think it's a duck or goose. Got this bat from Cracker Barrel. And this popsicle. I've been on the hunt. I got this hot dog. It's a 2-piece. I got this banana. I got this at Kohl's. Corn in the cob. This is also a 2-piece. I got this blue ducky from Target. Last but not least, I also got the butter. Just forgot I got the Nido Nice Cube. She feels super